Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get paid. Listen to the people talk. And guys, this is actually pays out through PayPal and it's worldwide, so it doesn't matter where are you in the world, you can do it from anywhere. So guys, I'm going to give you all the details right on this video, so stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing, and it's totally worldwide guys. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you some more information about that. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you some more information about that. So guys, let's jump onto this video. So guys, the first website we're gonna look at is called gotranscript.com. So you can visit by gotranscript.com and I leave a link below in the description of this video. So guys, you can check it out from there guys. So basically guys, it's a legitimate company guys, based in Edinburgh, Scotland. And guys, this is rapid growing online company that specialize in two fields. First, transcription and translation. Okay. So as a home-based transcriber of gotranscript.com, you will be listening to various audios and video files and converting them into text files. So that's pretty much all you gonna do guys, is just listening to phone calls. Now this can be anything from speeches presentation, political debates, recording of police investigation and stuff like that guys. And guys, you can also listen to like interviews of different things like that. So go to the transcribe.com guys. You can directly visit by anywhere in the world. So basically this is worldwide. So guys, how it's work? So first thing you guys gonna do is go to the transcribe.com. As soon as you guys land over to this website, so basically you have to come scroll down a little bit. So basically guys, go over to footer of the website right here. So guys, go ahead and click on the work, and that will redirect it to you this page, and you can watch the little introductory video, so that's going to explain more about it. So I highly recommend you guys, but after you scroll down right here and watch the video, so go ahead and click the apply button right here, and then we'll redirect it to you this page. So you guys can sign up with Facebook and you can sign up with Google Plus, so you can do whatever you want. So is that really easy guys to get started? So once you pass the test job and get hired, you will have access to the Go transcription system. Now you will be able to explore the list of available tasks. And guys, each task is an audio or a video file with different lengths and different deadlines. Okay. So when you find an interesting task to work, you guys can claim it. And so roughly you will have around 6 hours to transcribe a 10 minutes audio file or video file, and then you'll submit the file for review and you are done guys. And it's guys important to deliver a high quality work and meet deadlines. Alright guys, so some good things to know: you will receive an email every time a client uploaded a new file that's need to be transcribed, so you can work as much as you want or as little as you want, and the more tasks that you complete guys, the higher pay you are going to get. So what are the requirements? So they will be need a lot of requirement guide. All you have to do is speak English, that's it. So if you got an speaker on your computer or headphone, I mean just really basic stuff, you guys can apply with this. So guys, how much you guys will get paid? Well guys, their top earners right now are earning over $1,200 per month. Yes, that was like $1,200 per month guys doing this, and you will be paid 60 cents per audio minute, and they pay guys every Friday through PayPal and Payoneer. So you guys can go over to and check it out, this website guys. It's called gotranscript.com, and I leave a link below in the description of this video. So guys, go ahead and check it out. You can find out all the details here, sign up with this and start earning money. But guys, what if I tell you there is an easy way you can start? So at last you're still trading time for money. So if you want to learn how to generate $100 a day online, and this is what I am doing, and it's totally worldwide guys. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much daily that provide you tremendous amount of value. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.